Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your Wix website to HTML. So let's get right into it. Now, currently there isn't a way to transfer or to translate a Wix site into HTML. There is no official sort of program or code to do that. It is simply not possible. However, there are two kind of workarounds which I'm going to show you, the first of which you can do through the editor. Now once you're in the editor, you can just go ahead and go into the preview, and this is what the preview looks like. And once you're here, all you need to do is right click and then go into inspect element, and once you're here you can then go over the HTML code here in the sidebar. And when you hover over specific parts or elements of the HTML code, I'm not sure why it's not appearing currently, there we go. As you can see, it highlights different parts of the site, and you just need to highlight the, different parts of the site that you want and copy them over. Now, that is one way which you can do this. The other way is to actually search for a program on the internet. There are a couple of AI programs which allow you to create HTML code or to generate HTML code based on an image. You provide the actual engine, and that should create some HTML code for you. But there is no 100% foolproof way to transfer a Wix site into HTML. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.